Welcome back, students, and welcome to part 3, looking at our present simple and also looking at questions. Before we get back into the homework, I want you to see if you can remember what our question words are. So, can you remember what our question word is? First letter is W. Next letter is H. What is it? When. Other question word. First letter again is W. H. E. Where. So here are some of our question words that we have been looking at. When, where, and what. So, please turn in your workbook, Ventures1 workbook, please turn to page 72, and we're studying about Ibrahim and his day. And your homework was to look at exercise 2 question and then write the full sentence. So, let's have a look at number 1. Where does Ibrahim work? Number 1. He. Who's he? Who we're talking about? Ibrahim, yes. He works. Why S? Because it's present simple, it's routine, it's everyday, it's schedule, and it's he. He works at a restaurant. And there's my period at the end of my sentence. Capital letter at the beginning of my sentence and period at the end of my sentence. So number 2, when does he leave for work? There's the question, when does he leave for work? So we're going to find the answer in the passage, in the paragraph. So, let's shout it out to me. What's the first word? He. Who's he? Yes, Ibrahim. He leaves for, what's my next word? Work. Next word. Let's find it in the passage. Early. E-A-R-L-Y. There's my E sound at the end of my word, and that's with the spelling Y. Like Cathy, like January, like February. Leaves early in the morning. There's my period, the end of my sentence. In the morning, remember? Number 3, question. What does he do at 5 o'clock? We can put it at the beginning of the sentence. At 5 o'clock. He, let's find our answer. What's my next word? Can you spell it to me? C-O-O-K-S. He cooks. What does he cook at 5 o'clock? He cooks dinner. Spell it to me. D-I-N-N-E-R. That's my period at the end of my sentence. Number 4. Question. When does he get home? Let's give me the first word. He, who's he? Ibrahim. He gets, give me the next word. Home, next word. Late. At night. There's my period at the end of my sentence. So we say in the morning, we say in the afternoon, we say in the evening, but we say at night. Okay. So I hope you practiced and did your homework. I hope you called each other and practiced asking and answering the question. So, he works, he leaves, he cooks, he gets. What can you tell me about these words? Yes, it's the present simple, but what kind of word is that? It's something that you do. It is a verb. So, eat, drink, drive, wash, watch, something that you do. This is a verb. He gets home. So for example, if I say drink, what do you think of when you think of something that you drink? So drink coffee, drink tea, drink orange juice. So here's my verb, and this is a person, a place, or a thing. This is my noun, verb and noun. And some verbs and nouns go together. So for example, drink coffee. If I say read, what do you think? What words do you think of? What things do we read? So read a book, read an email. So some verbs and nouns go together. Here are some other verbs. Eat, go, take. There are my verbs. Now please turn in your workbook to page 73. Page 73 in your workbook. Exercise 3. Let us read the instructions together. Complete the chart. So here's my verb, eat, go, and take. And here are my nouns. So for example, eat breakfast. Pause the video and write the word under the correct verb. Alrighty, welcome back. So let's look at eat. Eat breakfast. And our word eat. There's my verb. Eat. Eat breakfast. What other things do we eat? Eat lunch. Eat dinner. What about go? Go shopping. Go to bed. Go to work. And now take. Take a break. Take a shower. Take the children to school. So now, close your books. I am going to say the word, and I want you to tell me how you spell the word. So, take. How do you spell take? A shower. How do you spell that? Take a shower. Can you write it? Take. There's that long A sound. A shower. What two letters together make that sh sound? Take a shower. Take the children to school. Listen again. Take the children. What two letters together makes that ch sound? Children. Children. To school. It's an oo sound. What makes that long oo sound? Eat lunch. Eat, it's that E sound. Eat lunch. There's that ch sound again. Remember we had it with children. That was at the beginning of the word. Lunch. This is at the end of the word. Pause the video and check your writing with page 73, exercise 3. Check your spelling. Alrighty, welcome back. Now, we have been studying questions. So let us have a look at how what you do in the morning. And you know the answer to this. We have studied this. This is easy. What's my missing word? You tell me. We know this. What do you do in the morning? Where? There's my question word. What's my missing word in this sentence? Where he work. So I could ask where Ibrahim work. Where? What's my missing word? And we studied this in our last lesson. Where does he work? Let's look at one more question. Here's my question word. When? Here's my question. Here's my question mark at the end of my sentence. So, what is my missing word here? What do you do? Where does key work. What's the missing word for they? Where do they eat dinner? Pause your video and you can write your questions down, especially that last question, because we're studying this today. Let's go back to page 73. Back to page 73, exercise 4. Let us read the instructions together. Complete the sentences. Use the words from exercise 3. So here are our words. You are going to write the question and the answer. Question and answer. And here are the times we can see in each picture. So for homework, write the question and the answer. And check your answers with a friend. Call a friend. Practice together. Ask the question, they answer. Your friend asks the question, you answer. Check together spellings. How do you spell? And help each other. And we'll be back shortly with part 4.